Yeah.
Hold the search.
That stupid motherfucker.
That's rude.
Dominique, stop hitting the door, man.
I'm not caring, man. You don't arrest me for no reason.
On April 6, 2025, officers responded to a domestic welfare check that escalated into a 12-minute confrontation and to criminal charges. This analysis examines the encounter exclusively through the framework of constitutional law and tactical standards. Viewer advisory: this video contains body camera footage of physical confrontation and less lethal force deployment presented for educational analysis.
Hey, Wood. Let's not stand directly in front of it. Let's take some steps back. Did you hear anything?
Window's broken though.
Can't see anything?
Can't see anything inside. Watch and draw.
We're at the residence, have made contact. No contact with them yet, despite repeated knocks.
Occupants of Unit 203, come to the door! Runaway police!
Do these places have a back, like a slider?
No, I think this is the only access.
Get away, please. Dominic, I don't want to kick your door down.
You're not kicking my door down.
Then come to the door and talk to me.
Don't ever. You don't have right.
Come to the door and talk to me then. We're just trying to make sure everybody's all right.
To that door.
Come to the... Who else is here? Dominic. We're just trying to make sure everybody's all right.
Hey man, I'm not playing with you, bro. Click clack. You feel me? Click clack. You feel me?
I'm not playing either.
Man, I will blow your hand off, bro. Leave that. Go. Don't ever pound my Nigga, I'm just dead, homie. Melt your shit. Leave. Bro, I'm having a bad night. Leave.
Just want to make sure everybody's all right, Dominic. Hey, do you have a RAM?
Yeah.
I don't think we have enough right now. I can't hear anybody else. I tried calling the number for Chantel, and it just beeped. It's inactive. One 38 window. Can you check the 911 call and see if you can hear anybody else in the background? Chance, bro. All right, chill out, bro.
Why are you banging on my goddamn door?
You're acting up on me, bro.
What the you talking about, man? I'm not playing that shit, bro.
Stand the
I'm not, no, you stand the back. You stand the back. You're on my house.
One more step.
Watch it.
One more step.
Back up. Back up.
One more step.
Back up. I got my wife in here.
Okay,
Watch your mouth. No, you're not going in my house. You're not going in my house, bro. End the story, bro. End the story, bro.
38.
I'm not caring, bro.
Stating that his
No
wife's
one
in the
is
house.
doing nothing in here. Go ahead, check out. Check me out. What? I'm not getting on the floor, bro. I'm in my house.
Okay, well, you can be arrested for obstruction then.
I don't care, bro. Our police union would like you to leave. Thank you. God bless you and have a good night.
You want to be arrested for obstruction?
You want to be going somewhere else where you're not going to go?
Dominic,
I appreciate you leaving.
If I can talk to her.
No, you're not talking to my wife, man.
Okay.
She don't want to talk to no cop.
Why not?
Because she said so.
Well, that's not what
my wife told me that she don't want to talk to you
You
guys.
got somebody ready to go hands on?
Bro, you touch me, bro. It's going to be for you.
Get your hands out of your pockets.
No, man, I'm not getting my hands out of my pockets for nobody, bro.
All right.
The moment you touch me, it's over, bro. I'm not playing, man. I got a young man I'm taking care of. I'm not touching you, bro. Don't touch me. Don't talk to me. You won't let me leave, bro.
Okay.
Let me walk.
Don't go back inside the house.
I'm allowed to go back inside my own house. It's my
Get on
house.
your knees.
I'm not going to get on my knees for nobody, bro.
Okay.
This is my wife.
Hands up.
Chantel. Chantel.
Oh. Hey, relax.
Hey.
He's okay.
It's my mom.
He's okay.
Okay, I'm getting up.
Get on the floor.
I'm getting up.
Face the floor. Face the
That's my
floor.
wife, man.
Face the floor right back.
That's my wife, man.
Back.
It's all good. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay, Mimi. Go take care of Mimi, baby.
We'll have to double.
No one's done nothing, man. Because we don't need to. What the f*** are you talking about? No one's done nothing, man. No one's done nothing.
Have any weapons on you?
No. Why? Why?
Hey, just
Why?
I'm just checking you for weapons.
Why? Why?
I'm checking you for weapons.
Why?
Why do you think?
I want to talk shit with somebody superior, bro. You better give me there. Don't touch you.
Relax, Dominic.
I'm going to about that taser. Get the out
Turn
there.
away from me.
No. I want to talk to your fucking superior, man. I'm not going down the steps.
Get him to the car, nice and slow.
No. I said I want the off me, man.
Do a second one.
Nah, man. No one does shit to you, nigga. Bro.
Hey, don't do that.
Touch me, man. I'll do the f*** I want. It's my house. You came in my house.
Stop
You
twisting
shut
your
the hell up. I'll twist the f*** I want to twist. Don't you touch me. Get your hands off me. Don't touch me, man. Move.
Yeah.
That stupid motherfucker.
That's
Dominique, stop hitting the door, man.
I'm not caring, man. Don't arrest me for no f***ing reason.
I can see that, but breaking the door is not going to make it any better.
Under Graham versus Connor, the death threat issued through the closed door permanently anchors every force decision that follows. Officers are not required to discount specific, on-record verbal threats. Hands concealed after an explicit weapons threat satisfies Terry versus Ohio's armed and dangerous standard independently. The pat-down required no further justification. Sorry about the door. A spontaneous on-camera admission under Rhode Island versus Innis is admissible without Miranda and directly supports the criminal damage to property charge.
I can see that, but breaking the door is not going to make it any better.
Then open up the window.
If I open up the window, what are you going to do?
I want to talk to you, only you.
Okay.
Because I know you.
So we got to...
What the f*** are you doing at my house?
We got to call...
What the f*** are you doing at my house?
Dominique, I'm trying
Why
to...
the
Trying to explain to
You're
you,
not
man.
trying to release me. That's your problem.
Because I don't know. I literally just walked up, man.
Okay,
I don't know what's
man.
going
I
on.
literally just woke up. I hear these motherfuckers banging on my door. I open up like, what the f*** is your guys' problem? And they tase me, bro.
Okay.
Shut up. And shut the f*** up right now. I'm not talking to you, bro. You're distrustful, bro. I want to do something stupid to you. I want my wife.
Hey, don't make it worse. Please don't damage or you'll get extra charges.
I want my goddamn wife.
You gotta relax. You wanna work with us, we need you to relax,
No,
alright?
man. I want my wife.
If you wanna talk to her, you gotta calm down.
Right now.
Alright? When you calm down,
Hey, let me
can
talk to
talk.
my wife.
supervisor's on his way to talk to you.
No, I said let me talk to my goddamn wife.
You're not being very cooperative for
Shut
that.
up.
Alright?
Give me my wife.
Well, we're not gonna do anything the way you're acting.
Move.
If he pops out, he's getting tased and tackled.
Yeah, I'm gonna open this door and ask him if he wants aid.
I want my wife.
Yeah. Hey,
I'm not
Dominic,
talking to you, man. I want my f***ing wife.
I wanna see.
my f***ing wife.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Wife.
Want aid or
I'm not
no?
talking to Nobody.
Aid or no? Yes or no?
What?
Do you want aid? Yes or no?
I want f***ing aid. I don't want to get the f*** out of this car, bro.
Okay. You don't want aid? Okay.
No, I said I want aid.
Okay.
Now you're going to let me get the f*** out of this car, bro. I'm not doing nothing to nobody. What though?
Hey, don't kick.
For what?
Put your foot up. Put your
No,
foot
man, I
up.
want to go home, man.
Put your foot up.
Why are you treating me like this?
Put your foot
No,
up.
why are you treating me like this? No!
Relax.
I said no! I said
Give them your.
No!
Move your. You want to hurt your foot?
I don't
Let it
care. I'll
relax.
break this shit, bro.
I know you will. Just get your foot in. Put your foot in.
Why are you arresting me?
Hurt your foot.
Why are you arresting me?
Relax your foot.
Why are you arresting me?
Relax your foot.
Why are you arresting me? Let me get up so I can sit on the damn car.
They're gonna assist you back, okay?
I don't want assistance.
Okay.
I don't need assistance.
Here, stand up.
I'm trying to sit in the car
You have
myself.
to stand.
I'm trying to sit in the car. Let me sit.
Okay.
Let me sit.
Okay.
Let me sit.
Stand up, sit
There. I'm sitting down.
Now slide in.
I'm sitting down.
You're sitting down. You have to slide
Okay.
in. Slide in, please, and
God.
put your feet in.
Dominic,
Please.
Damn.
seat in. We
All
gotta
right.
get you in the
We
car.
have to get you in the car.
God, sit down. Please. I love
I'll
you.
bring the hotel over, but you got to get in.
I can't. Just put me on the ground. Put me on the ground. Put me on the ground. I can't handle this. Put me on the ground, sir.
There you go. Much better.
Hey, you stop pulling away.
I don't care, man.
Stop
You guys
pulling
are
away.
doing necessary bullshit, bro.
All right.
Unnecessary.
All right.
Good.
Okay. Yep. Just kick out of it. Stop trying to kick out of it. Just relax. Dumb. Stay on.
Hey, stop reaching
I think
for
we have to
the
do one on
stuff.
his
I know what
knees
the f- I'm reaching for.
just to prevent him from kicking.
Stop.
If you want, stop.
No one's done nothing to you guys. You came into my house. Can you let me talk to my wife? 1, 2, 3.
Let go. Keep going. Relax. Relax, Dominic.
No, man. I want my wife.
What? You got him?
I want my wife. I want my wife.
Okay.
I want my wife. I want my wife. I want my wife.
Hey, let go.
If
Let
you
go.
sit down, I will let him
Let
come
go.
talk.
I'm going to jail for what?
Let go of the seatbelt.
For what?
It's in.
For what?
Huh?
Sorry about the door, bro.
I want my wife.
Yeah, that's not gonna.
The subject was charged with obstruction and criminal damage to property. Thank you for watching Cops on Camera, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.